Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices. Make sure your AirPods 4 and iPhone are charged and updated so spatial audio works reliably. Once done, open Settings and confirm iOS is on the latest build. This ensures compatibility and bug fixes. Turn on Bluetooth and hold the AirPods case close with the lid open to begin pairing. You'll see the pairing animation. Tap Connect. This first step establishes a fresh, clean connection so spatial audio features can be configured without legacy pairing issues. Next, configure spatial audio directly. Open Control Center and press the volume bar while your AirPods are connected. You'll see Spatialize Stereo and Spatialize Voice controls. Toggle Spatialize Stereo to enable immersive playback. For more options, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to your AirPods, and choose Automatic, Head Tracked, or Off. Automatic uses device motion to optimize sound. Head Tracked locks audio to the device orientation. Once selected, test with a Dolby Atmos track in Apple Music to hear the difference. Finally, refine head tracking and confirm spatial audio behavior. You can calibrate by going to Settings, Accessibility, AirPods, and following the head tracking calibration prompts. This adjusts for fit and motion. If spatial audio won't enable, restart your iPhone and repair the AirPods. This clears Bluetooth cache and often fixes state issues. Make sure the app or track supports Dolby Atmos or spatial formats because traditional stereo won't switch. If problems persist, reset the AirPods. Hold the case button until the LED flashes amber then white and pair again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.